Jeff, hata wewe najua ulikuwa unafanya hizo kwa mjinga, tutafanya na
Hello everyone. Yeah, my name is Mary Akinyi, 23 years old, from Kisumu County, but currently living in Nairobi. I'm a model and an air hostess by profession. Yeah, living to inspire the world of fashion and aviation. My project as Universal Woman Kenya is investing on women. Investing on women comes with economic impact and progress to over millions of people around the world through sustainable development. Sustainable development is eradicated to empower young women to eradicate poverty, anger, HIV and AIDS, and societal issues and rape cases. As Universal Woman Kenya, I will use the opportunity to empower young women to go for their dreams. It doesn't matter where you come from or where you are from, but you are all here through education. Empowering them through education will keep them with good skills that will enable them to provide for their families and be independent ladies, such as Esther Passaris, our women rep here, and Beatrice Elachi. Thank you all for having me, and have a nice day.
Number 5 is Mary Akinyi. Please, Mary Akinyi, walk the runway. Congratulations. You made it to number 5.
wow.
That's Mary. Let's give her a big hand. Thank you, Mary. We wish you well in your project. Thank you for participating. Yeah. Mary, you will get a certificate and Kenya shillings 5,000 towards your initiative. Okay, number line.
Atenya huyo ni wetu.
Caroline. Caroline. Hiyo ni Coco Kuka yako. The next one. Okay, huyu ni Judith Mutheo.
Watu wa Kawangware washazoea kushikwa mkono.
Sawa sawa. Okay, next one. What's the name? Judith. This is yours. Okay, the next one is for hii ni Bertha. Judith ni huyu. You Judith. Oh, ni Bertha. Wewe ni Judith. Judith, chukua yako. Huyu ndio Judith. Bertha?
Yes, madam.
Bertha ni nani? Wewe ndio Bertha. Aya, Bertha, hii ndio yako. Veronica?
Pauline Matigandi. I'm a business.
Veronica? Shito?
My name is Joyce Wajiko. I'm a business lady. Thank you.
Okay. So, okay, huyu ni yake. Okay, nani hiyo? Veronica? Veronica Shiteko, is that you? Veronica Shiteko? Ndi wewe? Na umekuja na katoi? Aya.
Wacha upewe vizuri mama. Kuja hapa.
Hey, my name is Lavin and I'm a business lady in Nairobi.
Amen. Okay, Veronica.
Wanaongeanga na check.
Uko hapa? Veronica. Okay, hold on. That is for Jane. Jane ambao ako no, Veronica ni huyu. Chukua hino, Veronica hii ni yako. Alafu tuko na Jane. Jane namba yako ni 0705 524 801. Jane.
My name is Eunice Kineria. Mimi ni mwanabiashara huku Nairobi.
Hakuna Jane na hii namba 0705 524 801. Jane Atieno? Hayuko? Okay. Catherine